Welcome to this presentation on the levels of organization in biology, where we explore the hierarchical structure from cells to organ systems, highlighting how life functions at each level. In biology, we observe a fascinating hierarchy that organizes life from the simplest cell to the most complex organ systems, each level playing a critical role in sustaining life. The different levels of organization of life are cell, tissue, organ system. The cell. At the foundation of all life forms is the cell. Unicellular organisms like bacteria, amoeba and paramecium operate all life functions within a single cell, whereas multicellular organisms have specialized cells for distinct functions. Cells are broadly categorized into prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells are simple, lacking a nucleus, while eukaryotic cells are more complex, containing a nucleus and other organelles. The tissues. Tissues are groups of similar cells working together for a specific function. Cells form tissues, groups of similar cells working together for a specific purpose. Each type of tissue has a unique role in the body's structure and function. Some examples of tissues found in humans are epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscle tissue, nervous tissue. The organs. An organ is composed of different tissues working together to perform a specific function. Tissues organize into organs, each a combination of different tissues designed to perform particular functions vital for survival. Let's take a moment to test your understanding of what we've covered so far. Please choose the correct answers to the following questions. Organ systems. Organ systems are networks of organs working together to perform essential biological functions. The digestive system breaks down food for nutrient absorption, while the circulatory system transports nutrients and gases. The respiratory system manages breathing and gas exchange, and the nervous system coordinates body responses. The musculoskeletal system provides structure and movement, the endocrine system regulates processes through hormones, the excretory system removes waste, and the reproductive system supports reproduction. These systems work in harmony to maintain the body's health and functionality. Let's take a look at some advantages of biological complexity. The complexity in living organisms offers numerous advantages, such as specialization and adaptability, which are essential for survival in varying environments. Despite its advantages, biological complexity comes with disadvantages like increased energy demands and greater vulnerability to system malfunctions. Let's take a moment to test your understanding of what we've covered so far. Please choose the correct answers to the following questions. In summary, the levels of biological organization illustrate a sophisticated hierarchy, each level vital to the organism's survival and efficiency. Thanks for watching. To deepen your understanding of any topic, explore our comprehensive resources, including revision notes, past questions, gamified quizzes, and workbooks. These tools are designed to help you master the concept effectively and enjoyably.